Hi, it's Ryan Casey, sales trainer, Orange Theory Fitness Studio owner. And today I wanted to talk about how your staff can make more sales in 2 seconds. That's right, more sales in 2 seconds. One of the most common reasons why your staff, why salespeople don't make sales is they're simply not asking the customer to buy. They're not asking for the sale. They're not asking a customer, hey, would you like to go ahead and get started with that today? They're not asking them, would you like to start with this plan or the package or the membership? They're not asking, you know what, from your goal, it sounds like this would be the best one for you. Do you want to get started with that today? They're simply not asking. Now, why are your people not asking for the sale? Well, could be they're scared or nervous. They don't want to be pushy. They think that they're asking, but really they're dancing around it. They're like, so here it is. And they think that's asking. One of the biggest ones is they just assume that if the customer really wanted to buy it, that the customer would ask them, which we know is not going to happen the majority of the time. You might get some sales that way, but you're definitely not going to maximize your sales. And a lot of times it's just, they just don't think the customer is going to say yes. They're prejudging what that customer has said, what they think that customer is going to get. And so one of the analogies that I've always used when I'm training my salespeople, I've used this for years and years, is if you're talking to your salespeople, the analogy you can use is imagine if you go over to one of your friends' houses and you knock on the door and you hear them kind of mumble, oh, come in, and you open up the door. And as soon as you walk in, you smell fresh baked chocolate chip cookies, right? And they just smell delicious. And you walk up the stairs and sure enough, there is your friend just shoveling his face with these chocolate chip cookies. And they're right out of the oven and there's chocolate going everywhere. And you can just see cookies everywhere. And they just look delicious. And your friend just starts talking about how amazing these cookies, oh my gosh, these cookies are the best cookies. My mom makes the best cookies ever. Oh, you would probably really love these cookies. I don't know how I'm going to eat all these cookies. These are so delicious. And that's it. Now, if that was you, you'd want to smack your friend, right? Because what are you waiting for? You're waiting for your friend to offer you a cookie, right? Just, hey, would you like one? Do you want to have one? You're waiting for that, but he never asks. And we do the same thing in our businesses where we bring them in and we talk about how amazing our products are. And we talk about how it's going to help them hit their goals and how they'll love it. And then we sit there and go, and a lot of times the customer is like, just offer me a cookie, right? Give it. Do you want to get this product, right? So ask for the order. That's it. Ask for the sale. Make sure your people are simply asking. It's not as easy as just telling them to go. Sometimes you got to go and find out why are they not asking and really make sure they understand the whys of it. And that cookie analogy is always something that I found helpful. So I hope that helps you too.